Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're making roast using a pressure cooker function of the phew. Started out with 1 cup of beef bouillon, added a sweet potato cut up, added a small onion in quarters, added 3 cloves of garlic that had been smashed, and then I took the roast and I made smaller chunks. I added salt and pepper, and I'm going to pressure cook this for 30 minutes, and I'm going to slow release, naturally release it for 10. Okay, so I got the lid on. I'm going to start it, pressure, high, 30 minutes. Start. Okay, so it's been pressure cooking for 10 minutes and I let it naturally release for 10. I'm going to vent it. Okay, so it's been venting now for a few minutes, and you're going to watch the little red button go down. Anytime. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so now we're going to open the lid. Now I always take the lid off first thing and just take it to the sink and give it a good rinse over. Make sure all the stuff is cleaned off of it. And here is our roast beef. Okay, so I've cut up my roast beef and I've pulled some potato out of the foodie for dinner. I was trying to cut the roast beef, but it wouldn't cut, it just would fall apart. So we have shredded beef, but it's pretty good.